Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add music to status on WhatsApp. And here's how it is done. Start by opening Instagram and tapping on your story at the top left. Then tap the camera icon to create a new video. Once you have recorded, tap on the sticker icon at the top right. Then select music to add a song. Choose a random song, and if you don't want the lyrics, remove them. When you are happy with it, tap done. Now you'll see that the song is attached to your video. Tap the three dots at the top right and select Save to download the video to your device. Once saved, open the Photos app to find your video, which now has the music. Next, open WhatsApp. Tap the camera icon and upload the video. You will notice the music is still attached, and you can share it to your status by tapping Send at the bottom right. And that's everything you need to know about how to add music to status on WhatsApp. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.